guys, today I'm doing a video in Bella Collina, which is a golf resort with a beautiful lake. All the homes they're building in here are on a lake. Sorry, are on a golf course, not on a lake, on the golf course. This one they just finished building. This model is the Milan. It's going to be 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with the master downstairs. They're going to be using this as a model home. As you can see, there's pavers here, and the builder for this is Dreamfinder Homes. And they're actually at this point, they're paying all the closing costs and they're giving you $20,000 in flex cash. What is flex cash? Flex cash is money you could use to either do upgrades or help to pay down your interest rate, right? So you could do either one of those. They have different models there. This is the front porch. They have different model homes to choose from, starting from 2,500 square feet and up. So this is a model home. So it's going to be furnished. Of course, the builders want to put it in its best light. So we have tiles as we enter. What I like about the Milan, guys, is this open area that it has right here. You just see this opening going, the 2-story opening. So as I walk in, it gives that opening. Let's go check out. And as you enter the home, over to your left, you have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Of course, we have a few upgrades. In the model home, they have carpets in the bedroom for the master. This is the master bathroom. How cool is this, right? We have all glass, right? We have glass shower here. We have the rain shower. Then we have a privacy, our water closet for our toilet. There is a door that leads to this. All right. So we have a soaking tub, we have an all glass shower, and of course you could pick all your options, right? So this particular builder allows you to pick all your options, and remember, if you use their preferred lender, you get all your closing costs paid plus $20,000 in flex cash at the time of the video, guys, at the time of the video. So as we go further in, we see we have a gourmet kitchen. We have 42-inch cabinets. We have an island. The good thing about this community, it is gas. So we have gas stove here. So if you love a gourmet kitchen, this is what this model home was built for, or offers. But you could also do a regular kitchen as well. Okay, we have a dining area here. And the beautiful thing about this particular community, guys, is all the homes faces the golf course. So you could have right here, you could have a summer kitchen if you wanted to. They didn't do it here, but you can. You have pavers, you have a covered lanai outside, as you could see. And you also have space for a pool if you wanted one, right? And let's step outside for a second. So they didn't put a pool, they kind of just left it like this, but this property line, guys, actually go all the way here to the end of this shrubbery thing here, right? So you have I'm gonna go over here so you could see from the back, and look, we have golf course views. All the home has golf course views. So this is the home from the back. Land come all the way out to here, so you have a pretty big backyard. So if you wanted to buy one and get a pool done, you could. This particular builder do work with a pool company, so you could definitely get a pool in while you build your home, right? You also get the plumbing for a summer kitchen. For the model home, they didn't put it in, but you could see you have the plumbing for a summer kitchen if you so choose. And as you could see, it's covered lanai in the back. So this is what it looks like from the back. I'm going back in. Again, this is the Milan model. And I like it because of the open area here. So instead of having a 2-story foyer when you come in, that's the front door that we're looking at. And then as we come in here, this is where we have the 2-story. Now, of course, you know, the stairs were upgraded, right? Because otherwise there'll be carpet on the stairs, but this person chose to have wood with the white backing. And of course, the wrought iron stairway work is also an upgrade. They also upgraded the top. So once we get to the top of the stairs, we have a den area, and that's not carpeted, so that was upgraded. And then look at your view from upstairs. Isn't this beautiful? So this is gorgeous. So then let's see what we have here. So when we come here, we have the den area. They made this into like a sitting room with an office. As you know, today we're doing a lot of virtual office, but you could do whatever you want here. Then we go into bedroom 2. Bedroom 2. This bedroom has its own bathroom with a shower. Okay. So we're looking at bedroom 2. Beautiful closet. From there, go along here. We have our laundry upstairs on this model. And of course, you know, you always want to have a drip pan, which is right here. They just haven't installed it. But you always want to have a drip pan under the washing machine when you have laundry upstairs, because this helps it. And as you can see, there's a utility sink as well. The drip pan helps to prevent flooding if the washing machine ever malfunction and water comes in, you know, and it leaks or whatever, and anything like that. This is the 3rd bathroom. So this one has 3.5 bathroom, not 2.5 as I said. 3.5 bathroom. This is bedroom number 3, right next to the bathroom. So this bathroom is going to be sharing that bedroom and this bedroom right here. So we have another bedroom here. Now these 2 back bedrooms give view back to the golf course, right? So this is beautiful. So this is a gorgeous Milan home built by Dream Finders in Bella Collina, which is a golf community. Okay guys, we are at Bella Collina. I'm gonna look at another model home. All the homes these are on the 40-foot lots. They all face the golf course. This is a Verona. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's not completely finished yet, but how about we do a walk of a home that's not yet done, right? So I'm gonna do a walk of that one. This one here is next to me. This is just starting to be built. So they're building quite a few of them over here. This builder is offering paying all your closing costs if you use their preferred lender, and they give you $20,000 in flex cash, which you could use for either paying down the interest rate or, you know, for upgrades. So as we enter, you see we have a half bath here. As I said, this home is not finished, but we could see what it looks like, because a lot of times people look at the builder's model home and they're like, well, they expect the home to just instantly look like the model home, and sometimes it does not. So here's one that's not yet completely finished. The master is downstairs. We're in the master bedroom right here. This is the downstairs of the master. As you can see through the window, we have golf course views, right? So this is the master bedroom. We have the master bathroom. We have dual sinks. We're gonna have a soaking tub here. And then this will be the closet. And then from here, we have the shower with a rain shower head, but they just haven't put that in yet. And then here's gonna be your water closet or your privacy toilet. Okay. So then we're gonna walk from here. And then we're gonna go back this way. So this will be a family room, living room kind of thing. This is the kitchen. Obviously that's, that's kind of obvious, isn't it? Anyway, we're gonna have gourmet kitchen. That's where we have the fan there. This community is a gas community, guys. So we're gonna have a gas range, and then the oven and the microwave is gonna be what fill these 2 spaces. From the kitchen, we have the laundry room. You could have various things going on with your laundry room. You could have a sink. They haven't put in the washer and dryer yet. I'm not sure if the builder is supplying that or if the owner paid for that. And so this will be the entrance to your garage. Right, so we don't need to go in the garage though. So if you came in from the garage, you'd have your laundry in one end, you'd have your kitchen ahead of you, and then you would have a closet here. Looks like a coat closet, a pantry, I'm sorry. So all where you're seeing these O's, it means they're gonna have recessed lights. They're gonna have 2 drop pendant lights coming down here, and these 2 square things are gonna be a part of the AC vents, okay? Let's go upstairs. So for this particular model, the Verona, we have a 2-story entry. So we have 2-story coming down here, and this homeowner also updated the stairs, because normally it comes just carpeted, and they also upgraded the knee wall, so now we have wrought iron instead of the knee wall. So when we get to the top of the stairs, we come into a loft area, right? And we could go around here and see downstairs. So this is the open air area right here, right? Then we have our first bedroom upstairs. This is bedroom number 2, pretty big. This one faces the front of the home. We have a bathroom. This one is going to be a shower. You can tell from that. And then we walk over here. This is the closet for the AC system. It's not yet installed. This is going to be bedroom number 3, or the second bedroom upstairs. This is the smaller of the 3 we just saw. And then we're gonna go over to the next bedroom here. These last 2 bedrooms faces the golf course because they're in the back of the home. So if I was to go over here, we could view the golf course. Okay, so of course we know this is where the switch would be, and these are where the outlets would be, and this looks like the cable is going to be coming up through here. Okay, and then we have the last bedroom. Again, this is a rough walkthrough. We know we're going to have a light in the ceiling there. This again faces the golf course. We have a closet there. All the square parts that you're looking at is going to be where the AC vents go. We have the outlet light there, right here. And all those squares on the wall will be where they're going to put the electric outlets. Well, the outlets are already there. We have another shower. So we have 2 showers up here for bathrooms. So this shower would share these 2 bedrooms, and then the shower down there would share the other bedroom. So this is a rough walkthrough of the Verona.